Climate change, the invisible war waged by mankind. Every day, our actions are silently fueling a war against our own planet, the unseen enemy, climate change. By burning fossil fuels, we're releasing ancient carbon into the atmosphere, tipping the balance of our planet's delicate ecosystems. Deforestation is another brutal blow, robbing the Earth of its natural carbon sinks, the lungs that breathe life into our world and keep it cool. Industrial processes and agricultural practices are not innocent bystanders either, contributing alarming amounts of greenhouse gases, exacerbating the warming. These human activities are slowly heating our planet, causing drastic shifts in weather patterns, rising sea levels, and threatening biodiversity. Our home is under siege, and it's our responsibility to fight back. We must adopt sustainable activities, reduce emissions, and restore our forests. The invisible war rages on, but with awareness and action, we can change its course. For our planet, for our future, take action now.